Do I believe some stuff gets passed on energetically, generationally, and gestationally? Sure. But do I believe as babies we're born and our self-talk is I'm not good enough and I'm never gonna find love and and life sucks? No. I don't think we're born with that self. I think it's the environment creates it, or experiences and how we react to it dictates that. But I don't think that that's what we normally come with. I feel like we come with our soul identity. We're born and we're infinite love, infinite light, with a purpose, with a message, with a gift to share. And I think life happens, right? And we forget who we are when we came here. But even if we forget who we are, it's not gone. It's that voice, it's that light, it's that intuition that guides us in times when we're like, shoot, I knew it. And there's been so many times where like, I need to go there, but I don't really want to go there, and you do it, and then something bad happens. You're like, I have the warning sign. What's that warning sign that shows up, right? Where did it come from? It's not like it happens so many times. It's not an accident, right? So I feel like we have our soul, identity, our essence always guiding us. Now, the goal is to make it loud, so we're listening to it the first time. It's not going to be perfect, but it's there, right? But then as life happens, it gets drowned out by our human identity.